This is Stephen from NetSurf Solar Power. We're doing a configuration for a 12 volts freezer, solar freezer. You're running two 12 volts battery parallel. This is the freezer that we're going to be powering up in a few minutes. We already installed the panels. In all, we're going to be having 350 watts of generating power, and we're using two 150 battery with a 150 charge controller. This family is off of GPL over 10 years now. There was some problem where GPL sent them a unpredicted bill. The guys say about over $1 million for a small home, and from then to now he came off of GPL and he's continuing to build his battery capacity to generate more electricity on solar. So indeed, solar could cover your entire house based upon whatever you would like to power. Make contact with NetSurf Solar Power. We are the solar giants in Guyana, and we go all over to work. This is in quarantine area.